How to change Contacts widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all long press on the Contacts widget on your home screen. Widgets provide quick access to app information and functionality without needing to open the app itself. Once the pop-up menu appears, tap on the Edit Widget option as shown. Now, tap on the current contact's name. You will then be taken to your full contact list. Scroll through the list and select the new contact you wish to display on your widget. After selecting, you can also choose to show or hide quick action buttons. Simply tap the toggle next to Show Buttons to enable shortcuts for messaging and calling. The widget on your home screen will now be updated with the new information. Following these steps, you can easily change the Contacts widget on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.